This activity is an optional case study exercise. There are two case studies, and you are asked to select a runtime based upon the customer requirements and the use case scenario. You will need your activity guide, and this exercise is found on pages 1 and 2. I would encourage you to take a look, take some notes, and then come back to the video and we can review together. So the first case is a biotech company. The important points here was that the director has chosen a best-of-breed cloud-based strategy for applications, so no legacy code exists. The director has chosen Dell Boomi Atomsphere as the integration platform to glue together their best-of-breed applications. NetSuite is the financial and ERP platform for the company. SuccessFactors will be the HR and human capital management. Viva will be the sales management system, and this fast-growing company has decided to focus on R&D scientific hires rather than spending money on IT hires, and so they will be outsourcing many of their technical roles. So what do we come up with here? For this particular situation, we would recommend the Dell Boomi Atom Cloud. And the primary factors for this are that all endpoints are cloud-based systems, so there's no need of having a local Atom with access behind the corporate firewall. So the Dell Boomi Atom Cloud is an ideal match because it does not appear that there's going to be high volume of data or demands on high availability in the kind of integrations that they will be running. And lastly, because they do not want to invest in IT infrastructure or employees, this is a great solution because they will not have to set up and maintain their own servers. So the third question, should the customers be concerned about performance or high availability? Why or why not? For them, this does not seem like an immediate concern, but if it were to become a concern in the future, the Dell Boomi Atom Cloud is actually capable of scaling up to provide a solution that would meet their performance requirements. So are there any limitations to be aware of? Well, there is a 1 GB data limit per month on the cloud. And secondly, since this is in the cloud, if any on-premise system were added, it would require setting up some local Atom or perhaps pursuing a hybrid solution where maybe the existing processes could remain on the Dell Boomi Atom Cloud, while the new integrations that would connect to the local endpoint could run on a local Atom. The second case study is Pumps R Us, a mature old line manufacturer of fire and sprinkler system pumps. So this business has chosen a cloud-based field service management system to manage their expanded field service operations. It will replace an existing custom-built system that uses on-site database and client-server technology. All new product and replacement parts shipments will come from Oracle ERP. Several vendors and business partners interface with their system via EDI transaction, and Pumps R Us has a very capable IT infrastructure that manages 3 existing data centers. So for Pumps R Us, we would recommend a local molecule. And there's a number of factors that lead to this recommendation. First off, there are on-premise endpoints, Oracle ERP, so there must be a local Atom or molecule. It's possible that an Atom would be sufficient, but we are considering that there are multiple endpoints performing a number of different operations between the field management, ERP, sales, and EDI transactions. So a more robust setup is warranted. And so a molecule provides better availability over an Atom. Further, since the custom-built field service system is being retired, and this IT staff is sufficient for the task, it does not seem like a heavy burden to place on the IT department to install, configure, monitor, and maintain this molecule. So should the customer be concerned about performance or high availability? So it seems like the answer is no. This trained staff seems capable of installing and monitoring this molecule, and the distributed architecture of the molecule provides for failover, while this knowledgeable staff provides the capable monitoring of the molecule and the process executions as well. So what kind of limitations should the customer be aware of? Well, there is a new skill set for the IT staff who will need to know how to install and manage and monitor the molecule. And also, it would be important to note that these failover capabilities are not mid-process. So if a process fails, other recovery strategies need to be in place. And if the customer ever decides to move to real-time processing, they will need to pursue a different solution that can accommodate such needs.